Good morning, everybody. Thumpr Fishing. It is January 17th, and for us Florida people, it is a freezing cold day. I get everybody else is dealing with like hard frost and stuff, but it is 53 degrees outside. So we're bundled up. It's almost noon. I think we got a high today of like 55, 56. But hey, at least we're not gonna be frozen. So, not gonna be doing too much today, but I'm thinking at least once a week I wanna recon a new spot. And I'm sure a lot of you other, fishermen out there, you've got your Google Maps loaded with spots to check out. So I'm thinking, maybe this morning we'll go grab a bite to eat, we'll go recon a spot. I've got a lot of potential spots. I've thought about launching my kayak. So before I take the trailer and all that kind of stuff, I like to check it out. Of course, if you're gonna check it out, bring a rod, cast out a line. So I'm not sure where we're gonna wanna eat, but I got the missus looking up a place to eat. We will grab a place to eat and then, see what we can find. Maybe we'll get lucky, find a really good spot. Anyway, stay tuned. Moon hut, fresh out of this world. It's got all the launches live on the televisions, all the patches and stuff. Very cool. Yeah, no, there's aliens in the front too, and like flying saucers and stuff everywhere. This is my jam. Why haven't I been here before?
So I picked a good place.
Where they're at. I'm being good. Alright, that took a little longer than expected, but I'm telling you guys, if you're ever down in the Cape Canaveral area, check out Moon Hut.
Yes, very good.
Super fresh, super delicious. It wasn't even that expensive.
They even fresh press all their juice.
Yeah, I got like fresh juice. What was it? Carrot,
kale, and
apple juice.
It's very good, very good.
But she got the breakfast burrito, super good. I got the Meteor Impact Burger. I mean,
Smash burger? Smash burger.
Yeah.
Something
Which
like
crazy,
that.
I drive by this place all the time. This is right where I go surf fishing. So, yeah, for now on, when I go to the beach, I don't know, this is probably my new favorite diner for sure. And I absolutely love all the aliens. I don't know how did I miss this spot. Anyway, well, we got like an hour, so I'm gonna go check out, recon this spot, cast the line out, see if it's got some potential, and maybe we'll hit it up in another day. So let's get moving. So apparently this spot is packed. So we'll be going somewhere else. And this spot's got a homeless guy taking up the spot. And the other side's got homeless people on it too. Oh man, usually I haven't seen that. Usually they're in boats. Recon spot. That's 2 spots. Fail.
wish I knew.
All right, let's at least get the line out. The conditions are pretty crappy right now. Everywhere I went that was a little bit somewhat sheltered, it's packed full of people. Or the other spot I wanted to recon had a bunch of homeless, like a homeless encampment or something. So kind of running out of spots, need to get the lines wet. So I checked out the just the Intercoastal Parkway Park here off the 520 in Cocoa. And you will see why I haven't taken the kayak out. I think I saw a meme recently from some Florida fishermen. Here, I'll put it in right now. And that is why I haven't taken the kayak out, and fishing's been a little bit limited the last few days. So see what we can do. You know, I'm not gonna hold my breath. All right, guys, look. Not really the best conditions. A lot of guys haven't been going at all fishing wise. It's just been like that. But you never know what you might catch when everybody else is inside. And I will tell you something, I don't know how long I will be out here for. Burr. I don't know how the heck I did that. I mean, I'm from the Cascade Mountains. I'm used to some freezing cold weather. How did I do it? I have no idea. I don't know if I've just fully adapted to the Florida climate or what, but brr, my goodness. And it's only maybe, I think it's only like 51 right now. Let's get these little legs off. All right, so that's what we're gonna go with. It's so windy. We're gonna go with a nice heavy weight like we did before the other day. The little piece of shrimp, and then maybe we'll try sand flake. We're just gonna drop it along these pylons here and see what, you know. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to fill a bite, honestly, but we'll see. Oh, I should have brought gloves. No, did I bring gloves? I think I did bring gloves. Let me see. Oh, did I? Hopefully. Come on. Oh, I brought... Oh, one of them fell out. I got one glove. One's better than none. Which one is it? Which one is it? It's my right. Okay. So, left hand will keep clean and stick in the pocket. All right. I'm just gonna keep trying to basically drop them near the pylons like that and hope for the best. It's Just perfect conditions for fishing. Just gonna keep going by each little pylon. I wish it was a little deeper, but it's only maybe 3 feet, 4 feet max in some spots. But it's gonna be hard to find any spots that's not like this, that's not already taken. Let's try this one. Look at her all dressed up in her snow clothes. I think even the fish have went in. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm facing this way. Thank God I have a windbreaker jacket.
Well, I was not going to put the pants on, but I had to.
Yeah, the wind eats right through the clothes.
Yeah.
I haven't even gotten a nibble, not even a catfish, so
Really?
yeah, 5 minutes.
Nothing?
5 more minutes and I'm out. Well, it just, everything's too choppy, turny in the spot, and then the other spots that were, you know, a little protected from the wind, they're full.
Yeah.
Or had homeless encampments.
For real.
It's probably a freaking puffer.
Probably a what?
I have fed this guy like 4 crabs. It's probably a puffer. Alright, so I fed this guy 3 crabs already. Let's see if we can't make it number 4 and the last one. Drop it right there. He just jumped. He made it happen. Look at that. It's gotta be a puffer or something. Gosh dang, he's good. Alright, try something a little different. I know there's a fish down there. So I'm gonna put a little teeny bit of shrimp on the very tip of the hook. Let's just put a little teeny piece on the tip. See if we can. Jesus, it's getting windy here. Gotcha. Oh! I don't know if he let go like last minute. I had him. This is. Hopefully I didn't scare him away. I don't know. Let me cover this up a little bit better. I had him though. Alright, I'm gonna drop it right in the same spot. There we go. Alright, let me turn away from the wind real quick. Cold, windy day on the waters, better than sitting at home. So if you can get out there, get bundled up, get out there. You don't need to catch anything to have a good time. There's so much stuff to see. Soak up some sun. Anyway, give it another 30 minutes before I head in. Nothing's biting and it's just not really the best fishing conditions, you know. But hey, I kept to it. We still got out here. Still got to, you know, get our lines wet. Explored a new place to eat. All in all, pretty good day. So we'll see if we get something here in the next 30 minutes. I'm not gonna hold my breath. It'd just be a bonus. But yeah, catch you in the next one.